It's May at Bretford, and usually this factory is humming by this time of year. But today, in 2021, this factory is going crazy. And there's a couple reasons for that. Number one, the K through 12 buy season has already started. There is a lot of pent-up demand because a lot of schools didn't buy during the pandemic last year. So charging carts and charging stations, they're in tremendous need. The other reason is we've got a global commodity crisis. Getting products out of Asia from the water through the West Coast ports is more difficult now than it has been in the last 25 years. Here's the good news. At Bretford, we don't make our product in China. We make our product in the United States right outside of Chicago. And what that means for our resellers and our customers is you put in an order with us, we get that order, and we start making it. We bend the metal. We put it through the paint line. We put it in boxes and we roll it down into our shipping facility and out it goes to you. So as this season continues on, a couple suggestions. One, get your orders in early. Two, buy American. And three, buy Bretford.